Welcome back my dear friends, this is Engineer Arif.
I have designed this new series of SolidWorks video tutorial for my beginners friends.
This is the part, which we gonna design today using SolidWorks 2018. Oh yes, just do me a little support, subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of new releases.
This is the part which we gonna design today for you friends. This is the exercise number 27. This is also a very simple and interesting tutorial. We will use only 3 sketches, 1 extrude and 2 extruded cut commands for completing this part. We will use SolidWorks 2018 for designing this part. This exercise video tutorial will help newbies for their regular practice. Hope you will enjoy this CAD tutorial video. If so, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon.
Let's start. Click on the new part.
Go to Apply Scene and select Plain White. Go to Material, right-click, and select Edit Material. Then choose your desired material. Left-click on Front Plane and choose Sketch. Now take Corner Rectangle command and draw a rectangle.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Width is 134 millimeters. Height is 40 millimeters.
Now take the Line command. Now select Smart Dimension.
Distance is 19 millimeters. Distance is 75 millimeters.
Press OK. Now take Trim Entities command.
Fillet radius is 4 millimeters. Take Fillet command. Fillet radius is 4 millimeters.
Press OK.
Fillet radius is 20 millimeters.
Press OK. The sketch is fully defined. Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Distance is 40 millimeters.
Press OK.
Left-click on this surface and select Sketch. Press Ctrl+8. Take Center Line command and draw lines like this.
Now take circle command.
Diameter is 20 millimeters.
Press OK.
Select these circles and make them equal.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Diameter is 20 millimeters. Distance is 85 millimeters. Distance is 20 millimeters.
Press OK.
Depth is 29 millimeters. From featured menu select Extrude Cut command.
Press OK.
Left click on this surface and select Sketch. Press Ctrl+8.
Now take circle command. Press OK.
Diameter is 12 millimeters. Select these circles and make them equal.
Now select Smart Dimension. Press OK.
From featured menu select Extrude Cut command. Select through all.
Press OK.
Press space button of your keyboard and select isometric view. Let's do motion study. Make this speed 3x. Select Animation Wizard. Select Rotate Mode and click Next. Select Y-axis of rotation and click Next. Change this duration to 30 seconds and click Finish. Now select Play from Start.
Congratulations! This is the part, which we are trying to build.
If you enjoy the SolidWorks video tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for staying connected with us.